everyone. Today we're going to take a look at another one of PickMe1977's locks. This one is the no-named Euro cylinder, and it's the one that I said kinda has the smiley face of doom. Even though that's a pretty normal looking smiley face, if it's on a challenge lock, it's the smiley face of doom. Just remember that. Anywho, let's go ahead and try to get this guy open. I want to go top of the keyway. Pin 1's springy. Got a couple clicks out of pin 2. I got 3 clicks out of pin 2. Got a click out of pin 4 and went into a false set. Get a little counter rotation on 3. If I can get them there. There we go. Got 3. I've still got a false set. I just brushed up against 1 and my false set got a little deeper. Okay. I think I've lost every bit of feedback, guys. There's something going on here. Nothing. Oh, just got a tiny click out of 5. And then nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. A little bit of feedback on 5 still. But I'm pushing on him and he's not wanting to rotate. We might have either a really deep spool or undercutting maybe. So let's bring it back. Just a hair more. There we go. 5 jumped up. Okay, good. I've still got a false set, so that means I didn't drop anything major down. So I might be able to come. There we go. Brushed against pin 2 and pin 1, and she opened up for us. So let's take a look, see what we got in here. Zoom out just a little bit so I can get this clip off. Yeah, you know what? We got the key. I'll lock it up. I like to look at the keys afterwards anyway. Okay. That's not working real good. There we go. Just got to get it at the right angle, guys. It's the angle of the dangle. Alright, so let's cut off this electrical tape. Holy cow, man. How much electrical tape does it take to mummy a key? There we go. Alright, got all the black off of there. And look at that bitting, guys. That's a pretty good bitting. Come on, camera. What'd you go out of focus on me there for? There you go. Yeah, that's a really good bitting there. A bunch of highs, bunch of lows. A little bit of tick pushing the key in. Oh, it ticks a little bit in the center. There might be a Tpen or something in here. A little bit of a tick right there at the center when I want to go left. When I go right, there's hardly anything at all. But when I go left, a little bit of tick. Okay, just since I felt that, whoops, I guess I still need the key in there, don't I? Man, must have some strong springs too. Let's try to drive a shim in here. I want to zoom out just a little bit more. There, I think I got that shim driven all the way up there now. And we're going to use one of my shiny brand new Sparrow's followers, but not that one, because I think that may have been the wrong one. Not that one. Yes, this one. There we go. Alright, that came out nice and smooth. Alright, let's turn this around. All the keys are working nicely, and that's what that was dragging on. There's an inverted Tpen, key pin on chamber 1, and just pushing in the key, it likes to catch there a little bit. So, alright, let's take a look at these keys really close. Alright, I got a Tpen key pin for 1, a double serrated on 2. Let me zoom in real good so you can see them pop out of here. Actually, that's got 3 serrations on it. That's a real fine serration right there. So it'll give you a different feeling as you go up. A really finely serrated on 3. Those are nice serrations. This one is a tapered top. It's almost T-pinish, but the top is slightly tapered. And pin 5 is another serrated with a really sharp serration. That middle one is real nice. Okay, looking at the plug here, you can see threading on chambers 2, 3, 5. And I swore I could have felt some undercutting in that thing when I picked it, but there's no undercutting here, guys. So there must be something magical up top that was really hanging back here in chamber 5. Maybe a really deep, really sharp spool getting caught in those serrations. That'll be my guess at this point. But, you know how guesses go. You could be wrong. Okay. And since I broke out my brand spanking new follower, where are my brand spanking new pinning? There they are. I got some new pinning tweezers too, guys. Actual pinning tweezers. No more of whatever those was I was using. Whoa, that landed in my lap. That thing had some spring tension. Okay, let me stand up real quick. Woo! That thing shot out with force. That is a little T-pin. Come on, stay focused. There we go. So, we had a T... I don't know which direction it was facing, Pick Me. You might want to let me know, but... could have been part of the tick there is a T-pin riding on a T-pin. Let's go ahead and grab that spring too. Okay, we got a copper spring. Pretty powerful looking spring. Nice and long. Okay, we've got a serrated in chamber 2. If I can get it out of here. Alright, we've got a kind of a serrated spool looking guy here for chamber 3. It's actually a really nice looking serrated spool. Come on. There we go. We've got a T-pin, a different diameter T-pin in chamber 4. So he's a little bit fatter to give you a much different feedback. And then we've got a, yep, I said it, didn't I say it? Yep, there's a nice sharp spool with a dang near razor edge on it in chamber 5. So let me grab a deeper hook here and try to pull some of these springs out. Okay, it's a copper spring in 2, it's copper spring in 3, copper spring in 4, and copper spring at 5, so they're all copper. I don't detect any threadings. No serrated chambers up top. But it would be really hard to do that in this lock because, as you can tell, it's not removable. Alright guys, that was this lock by PickMe. I'm going to call it the Evil Smiley Face Challenge Lock. It was a very good lock, a very fun lock to pick open. PickMe, thanks so much for the lock. Everybody else, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe by pressing the big subscribe button underneath the video.